Want to make this video a little bit shorter, a little bit more just impromptu as a narration. I put a 76 Cherokee on a 01 Tahoe. I had to shorten the chassis 8 inches. If you were following the channel, I have done a couple builds, videos on it so far, but haven't covered the body mounts yet. So on the front of this, I used the factory core support mount location, but I built new boxes that welded to the chassis, still bolt through the top. And this is a 76, so this is a later design of the full-size Jeep on the body mounts. And they used to go from underneath the chassis into a captured nut inside of a box on the body. And those two center ones, front of the door and behind the door, landed right almost center of the chassis on this Tahoe. So I didn't want to try through bolt or deal with that. So I ended up re-drilling the body and located them out. Still landing on a cross member, it's tied in. This is through bolted, and I can get to the bolt on top. And just ran 7/16 bolts. I will change out all the bushings and hardware with new. The rust in the body is going to get replaced. I'm going to put new rockers and clean all this up. The chassis, I'm going to end up sandblasting and full paint it so it looks a lot better. It just has a bunch of surface rust and it's just super dirty. Same thing. Old body mount, landed center of chassis, wanted to change that, so relocated it back. The only ones I ended up using factory captured nut in the body were the rear, right in front of the front, rear wheel well off the front side. So I built to that and then put a dimple die plate in it just to tie in, make it look clean. And then the behind the wheel well on these have a non-bolt. They are just a bumper isolator kind of thing. So those are just simple. And then I don't have the very back mounts in yet because I want to get the rear bumper and I want to use the Tahoe receiver hitch. The 7-wire probably not as much. I'll probably put a 4-wire on it, but we will see. And then I haven't done a video on it yet, but I built a narrowed 9-inch and doing a custom link suspension in the back instead of running the parallel 4 or 5 link that was in this. It's got a triangulated upper 4 link, so I don't have to run a track bar, and I have the packaging for it. But yeah, if you guys have any questions or want to see the weld process or any of that, I can talk about it. I'm not a professional. I just have fun building toys. So thank you guys for watching. Have a good one. Bye.